Hi, in this tutorial, we are going to look at string interpolation and escaping. So, and escaping. So, what are string delimiters in Ruby? So, delimiters, like I said, are double quotes or single quotes, which define limits of a string. So, these define limits, which are boundaries slash boundaries, and And what is a string escaping in Ruby? So, like I said, we can define string using double quotes or single quotes. But in case if you want to like put a string inside of a string, sorry, you want to like use a special character that is double quotes inside of a double quote, then you can use escape character. So, for example, uh, a, we have a hello, hello today, hellos today, or I'm just taking like a random, random two words, but in case if you put a meaningful word, that would be better. But here, if I try to put a double character again, double quote again, it treats it as a it treats as a end character. So hello, it ended in hello itself. If you don't want to end the string in after hello, if you want a double quote after hello, then you put a backslash. So if you put a backslash, then it returns like this: hello student. It's it's mine. If you can say it's mine. So now you got like the uh, this as well, like the string as well, like with the special character double quote inside of the string. So if you put backslash, you will get the uh, double quote as well inside of the string. For single quotes as well, if you want to escape a single quote, then you can put it's mine. Now you put a backslash, then you get the it's mine. So that's how it works. And so you can use escaping by putting a backslash. So, and uh, when do you need an escape? When do you need to escape a quote in string? So if you have a quote inside of a string, then you can escape. So if you have a double quote inside of a double quote, or single quote inside of a single quote, this special character can be escaped by using by backslash. So, and if you have a if you have a single quote inside of a double quote, then it works like as expected. But you have a double quote inside of it, then it treats as a delimiter, like a end of it. So end of the boundary. So you don't want to end the boundary here, so you put an escape. Yeah. And uh, which which character is used for escaping the string? So you use slash, backslash, and you can escape single quote or double quote with this thing. And what are common escape types? So there are certain escape types which can be used only in double quotes. So for example, slash t, or slash t will give a tab, slash n will give a new line. So new line here, and yeah, these are some escape statements. So you can use like certain escape sequences like slash tab or slash new line. And do escape sequences work in single quotes? No, they only work in double quotes. In double quotes. What is string interpolation? String interpolation is something like put a value, like placing a value inside of another. So, for example, you use a syntax. What syntax do you use? You use hash and flower braces. And does string interpolation work with single quotes? No, nothing works. Escape the just the escaping of single quote works in the single quotes. Only in double quotes you can put the special sequences like escape sequences like tab or new line, and also interpolation you can only put in double quotes. Double quotes. And if you see, if I give a if I want to put hello inside of a new string, so what I do is I can use the interpolation, and I can put that a like this variable inside of here, hello world. So now I get a statement by joining the previous variable. So if you want to put a word inside of a word, then you can use interpolation. You can put hello here as well. So yeah, this is interpolation, placing a value a va- inside of a string or something. So place what can be placed inside of a, so you can put string or any Ruby code. So in case of here, like you can you can also call like Ruby code. You can upcase it. So that way it upcases the hello. So you can use Ruby code as well as a string. When does it matter whether you use single quotes or double quotes? Like I said, use single if you don't have interpolation or escape sequences like slash tab or slash new line. Sorry, slash new line, backslash tab or backslash new line.